I will share another learning from the Wealth Summit 2016, so stay tuned. Hi Creative Peeps! It's another Financial Friday. I'm Nat Reyes, and today's video, I'm going to share to you the things that I've learned from Rex Mendoza, President of PhilAmLife, and Rampver. So let's watch this video outtake. Alright, so Creative Peeps, welcome sa Tatak Pancham, and I'm here with Rex Mendoza, the president of Rampver.
Yes, hi.
Okay. So I attended the Wealth Summit, and I've learned a lot from the Wealth Summit. One thing I've learned from that is ignorance will really is cost high, you know. Magagastusan ka kapag ignorante ka. So you need to continuously learn on financial education. So Sir Rex, ano pong masasabi niyo po sa ating creative tips?
Ignorance is more costly. Study.
Okay
Learn
po.
how to handle money. See you.
Okay po.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so that's it, Creative Peeps. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Nat Reyes and Rex Mendoza saying, get creative.
Thank you. See you soon.
Alright, thank you. Rex Mendoza is another millionaire maker speaker on that event, Wealth Summit 2016, and he taught us about branding. And I remember one of his slides says, always anchor everything on what truly matters. And obviously, with his family on that slide means that our family is what truly matters. Family should be the greatest when it comes to life. I remember the quote from Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, and he said that there is a big difference between saying, the reason I am not rich is because I have you kids, versus saying, the reason I must be rich is because I have you kids. Family does matter. So thank you Rex Mendoza for that wonderful learning. And again, as he said, ignorance is very costly. So always educate ourselves, especially on financial matters. So Creative Peeps, thank you for liking this video, and if you are new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button because every Friday I share wonderful tips about financial matters and lessons learned in the Wealth Summit 2016. And also, if you are interested to know more about the club that I am in, the Truly Rich Club, I placed the link right here. So go ahead and check out their site if you want to learn about stock market and investing. So Creative Peeps, see you again next week, next Friday for another financial learning. Nat Reyes here saying, get creative.